just shared about a new guys on my mom it's monkeypox and Hans the Bite as you can see and I'm Filipino. Please, I don't want to turn to a monkey, Lord. Please save me. I'm scared. Please save humanity and others. We hope that this disease will be gone and sent into nowhere, and this world named Earth will finally be healthy and safe. But I'm also a bit black when there's a shadow. So yeah, I honestly don't like being fat cheap.